Nairobi Governor Mike Mbuvi Sonko against the police failed to take off in a Voi court as the governor was not able to take plea against 3 counts of assault, resisting arrest and public disturbance. The packed court was told that Sonko was still unwell and needed more time before he can appear in court. And as our coast-based reporter Tobias Chanji now reports, a battery of police had camped outside the court as early as 1 a.m. and anyone going to the courts had to be vetted.
From the onset, it was barely to be a high-octane case. If the number of police officers and lawyers present was anything to go by, a large contingent of police officers sauntered inside and outside the court, and those who had travelled all the way from Nairobi found it hard to make way to the court chambers. Everyone was anxiously waiting for Sonko to arrive until his 8 lawyers, led by Cecil Miller, prayed for the postponement of plea taking on grounds that the governor was advised by his Dr. Esther Nafula Wekesa to be on bed rest.
Given a proper copy of the charge sheet, we were given a photocopy, but maybe if you can be supplied with a copy of the charge sheet.
Of the charge sheet, but the statements I'll supply them once the suspect subjects himself to this court. That's the only time that I can disclose the evidence against him. I don't know what purpose you wanted to be mistaken.
Informed our decision. We may come here and give him a gift to plead guilty, having seen the evidence. It's just reasonable that we take instructions in that way.
It was a reprieve for the governor when the senior resident magistrate F. Nyakundi directed that Sonko should take plea on 21st January 2020, but with conditions.
The suspect to present himself before the 21st of January 2020, before Voi police station, so that his fingerprints and the processing can be done. The defense counsel to be provided with a copy of the charge sheet and the statements to be provided after this.
But as this was happening in Voi, in Nairobi, something else was cooking. Governor Sonko was filing an application seeking to review bail terms issued on him last week. Sonko also wants the court to ban Nairobi County Assembly Speaker Beatrice Elachi from assuming the functions of the governor's office. Under a certificate of urgency filed by lawyer Harrison Kinyanjui, Sonko argues that no vacancy has constitutionally arisen in the elected post of Nairobi City County Governor to warrant the Speaker or Nairobi City County Assembly to assume his office. He was in the process of appointing a deputy governor. Tobias